In this video, let me show you how can you create reverse video like this one, which you can use in your social media account, maybe in your Insta or YouTube shorts. You will be able to utilize these clips. Today, I'll show you one website using which you will be able to create this kind of video impact instantly. If you follow my mouse, I'm in FlexClip.com. That's the website. And if I go here, you'll be able to see multiple different things. This particular software does multiple things. But today in this video, I'll only show you one thing, that is the reverse video and how can you create it. I'm also in process to record multiple other videos using FlexClip and how can you utilize their AI features. So please consider subscribing to my channel if you want to watch those contents also. Now coming back, you can see that here there is a one prominent button, that is sign up. If I click on that, it will give you a couple of options. You can use your email ID to continue, or you can use either Google or Facebook authentication to log in also. What I'll do, I'll click on Google and then I'll select one of my account and there I'll be able to log in. Once I log in, you'll be able to see. So this is the landing page. Earlier using this same ID, I was trying to create one of the video that you can see here, but let me show you from the scratch. So in this page, you just need to click on create a video and you can select the aspect ratio you are looking for. Maybe if you are looking for YouTube or maybe TikTok or Instagram, based on that, you can select. Let me click on this YouTube and Facebook, and then it will give you a blank canvas. And in the very first prompt, it's asking you to import the media. Now, if you have something already recorded which you want to reverse, that you can utilize here, you just need to drag and drop that particular video here and it will work. So what I'll do here, I'll use some of the stock videos from this website only. If I go to videos, and there you'll be able to search what are you looking for. Now here, if I search for jump in the water, now you can see there are multiple different options. What I'll do, I'll select this particular video and it will be placed in this timeline. Let me close this particular pop-up. Now if I play this video, we can see it's a normal video. Now we need to reverse this particular video, which is extremely easy. What you need to do, you just need to go in this particular clip, right click here and click on reverse video. What it will do, it will take some time and it will process and it will reverse the entire video. So this is that easy. Just one click of a button and it will reverse the video you are looking for. Now let's wait it to be completed. Normally it takes 30 to 40 seconds to complete the entire thing based on the clip size. Let's wait and then see that how it looks like. Okay, now this video has been processed. Now if I go to start and I play this video, you'll be able to see now this reverse effect is working. Yeah, he's now coming out of the water and this is, yes, this is that easy. So what I'll do, I'll pause and then I'll go to export, and the video I'll be able to export to 720p using the free plan. So let me click on that and then export with watermarks. Currently it's rendering, and once the video will be ready, we'll be able to play. With the free plan, you will be able to export only in the 720p. That's the highest resolution you can export it. Also, there will be a small watermark. You can see there's a very small watermark. This is negligible. In case you have some requirement that you want to utilize it in the multiple times and in your Insta or any of the other social channel, you can check out the paid plans they also have. Now the video is ready, and if I play that video, you can see it is now played, and where there is a small watermark, but we got that effect whatever we are looking for. So using the free plan, there will be certain limitations. If you want to utilize any of the paid plan, I have a link in the description below, which is an affiliate link. I may earn some of the commission, but without any additional cost to you. I also have one coupon code. I'll mention that code also in the description below. First 20 enrollments using this particular code will enjoy that 35% discount on any of the paid plan. I recorded another video using text to video feature. How can you generate multiple shots which you can utilize in YouTube, TikTok, anywhere? Check out this video to know more about it.